In this video, I'm going to show you the Dollar Days deals that's going to be starting on July 2nd, running all the way until July 15th. So we'll be a couple weeks long, just like they normally do. And I will be sure to put a link down in the description below so you can download the coupons to your phone, either through the app or from the website. You will need the coupon in order to get the deal. First up is going to be the Harbor Freight brand of the 3-pack Super Glue Gel. This is going to be better than the regular Super Glue that they offer. It's going to be a little bit thicker versus the other one that is more runny. So it's a 3-pack and it's a 0.10 ounce each. The normal retail price is $1.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for a buck, saving 49% on them. And it's a limit of 4, just like all the other coupons are going to be basically limited of 4. Next deal is going to be on the 1-inch steel spring clamp. It has little rubber grips onto the inside of the spring clamp. This is going to be their smallest version that they offer, and it's made by the Pittsburgh brand and offers a lifetime warranty on them. So the retail price on this is $1.29, and you'll be able to pick that up for a buck as well, and it is saving 22% on this one. And the next deal is not going to be so much of a great one. It's on this Hercules 2.5-inch wide oscillating blade. It offers universal fit, bimetal, so you're able to cut into softwood, hardwood, soft metal, and mild steel with it. The normal retail price on this is $10, and you'll be able to pick it up for $9, which is only saving 9% on it. So you would have been better off using a 30% off deal when they did it this previous weekend. And the next deal is going to be on the Western Safety Face Shield. It has a flip-up visor to it, so it has the headband on the inside, and then you can flip it up when you don't need to use it. Retail price is $4.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, which is saving 19% on that one. Again, not the best deal. Next Pittsburgh deal is going to be on the 9-piece tubeless tire repair kit. It includes the plugs, cement, hook, reamer, and knife. The retail price on that is $6.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, which is saving 42% on it. That is a good deal on it. Every car should have a tire repair kit in it. Next up is going to be on the 18-inch long neck funnel. The retail price on that is $4.99, and how about picking it up for only $2? That's an excellent deal, saving 59% on it. And we got another Pittsburgh deal. It's going to be on the 4.5-inch diameter suction cup. It will lift up to 40 pounds. You just add water or soap solution to the surface to promote suction on it. And this one in the store is orange, so the color may vary in your store. Just pay attention to the retail price of $4.99. Because on the coupon, they have it as a red one, and you can pick it up for $3, which is saving 39% on that. Another good deal. Next deal is going to be on the Workhorse Safety Hard Hat. So you can protect your noggin. It does have an adjustable insert there to adjust it to fit your head. And this retails at $11.99. And you'll be able to pick it up for $8, which is saving 33% on that one. Next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh Quick Find tape measure. It's a 16-foot one by 3/4 of an inch. And I'll show you what the tape looks like. So it does have the fractions marked on it in case you need something like that. It has high strength ABS rubber wrapped case to it and a little lanyard there so you can strap it to something if you want. So the retail price on this is $2.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $2, which is saving 33% on that one. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's go to the next deal. And they have a deal on a Hallmaster 3-inch rubber swivel caster. It offers a 165-pound working load. It's made of a solid rubber wheel, absorbs shock. It has a plate mount to it with the 4 holes on it. This one does not have a brake to it. The retail price on it is $4.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, which is saving 19% on that. And they brought back a deal on the 1-inch roller ball bearing. So I've seen many people do creative things with these things, especially in their truck beds. You can create a table that pulls out. So it does offer a 132-pound working load for each one. It is made of a steel construction, and it's obviously multi-directional. So this retails at $2.29, and you actually be able to pick it up for $1, which is an awesome deal, which is saving 56% on that. Again, it's a limit of 4, and that'd be 4 per day or per purchase, so you could pick up multiples if you needed to. And they brought on a good deal on a tarp, and it's going to be on the 5'6" by 7'6" heavy duty tarp. It is 9 mil thick and water resistant. The retail price on this tarp is $5.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3, which is saving 49% on that. That is an awesome deal on the tarp, and it is a limit of 4. And I got another Hallmaster deal for you. It's on the E-Track tie-off strap with the D-ring. So if you use a E-Track system on your trailer, then you just connect this and you're able to use regular ratchet straps with this. And it has a 3,000-pound braking strength and a 1,000-pound working load. And it's made of a 2-inch polyester webbing. That's weather resistant. So the price on this is normally $5.99, and you'll be able to pick this up for $5, which is only saving 16% on it though. Next up is another Hallmaster offering. It's a 6-piece camouflage elastic stretch cords. It's non-marring vinyl coated steel hooks, and it comes in size 18, 24, and 30-inch cords. And it's a 40-pound capacity. I haven't even seen these before, probably because they are camouflage. And here is the back of the package. So these bungee cords do retail at $3.99, and you can pick them up on a great deal at only $2, and that's saving 49% on them. Next up is a deal from the Storehouse brand of the electrical clip assortment. It's a 28-piece set. It has various clips to it, so you can do different electrical testing with the different leads. The normal retail price is $2.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $2, and that is saving 33% on them. It is a good deal on it. Next up is going to be a deal from the Chicago Electric Power Tools brand of the heat shrink tubing. It is a 9-piece assortment, so it has the different sizing of the tubing depending on the thickness of wire you need to put it on. And this retails at $2.99. And how about saving 66% on them and pick them up for $1? That's an awesome deal on it. Next deal is going to be on the Quinn 2-inch putty knife. It's a flexible steel blade and ergonomic grip. And it has a metal hammerhead to it as well, so you could almost use it as a chisel. The retail price on that is $2.99, and you can save 33% on that and pick it up for $2, and that's a limit of 4 as well. And it wouldn't be a dollar days deals if they didn't have a deal on a male or female air plug. Yeah, this one by Merlin. Your option there, the male or female. It's a 1/4-inch industrial plug, 300 max PSI for each of them. And the retail price is $2.49. And you'll be able to pick them up for $2 each. And it's saving 19% on it. And that's a limit of 4, just like all of the other ones. And another Pittsburgh deal. It's going to be on the 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive of the Star socket set. It's a 9-piece set, and it has from T10 all the way up to T50 on the different sizes there. These obviously offer the lifetime warranty on them, and it comes on a rail there. You could use it for the storage of these sockets. They also offer the high visibility markings on them, and the retail price on this set is $10. And you'll be able to pick it up for $6, and that's saving 39% on that. It's a great deal on them. And another Pittsburgh deal. It's on the 3/8 drive of the spark plug socket set. So it's a 5-piece set. It has these different sizes of 18, 14 millimeter, and then 5/8, 3/4, and 13/16 of an inch. They also have the high visibility markings on them, and they have rubber inserts there to help retain the spark plug. Looks like a decent set. If you happen to have this, let me know how you like it in the comments below, because I might pick it up. And it obviously offers a lifetime warranty on them as well. And then here's the back of the package. So this set does retail at $10, and you'll be able to pick it up for $8, and that's saving 19% on that. So you could have saved 30% on them during this previous weekend's 30% off sale. And the next deal is going to be on the Gordon utility blades. It's a 50-pack of them in a hard case to it with the easy dispenser there on the bottom. It even has a couple eye hooks there, so you could screw it to a wall or something else. The retail price on this is $6, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, and that's saving 33% on it. It's a good deal. Now, I was surprised to see this next item on the Dollar Days deals. It's on the Bauer 5-pocket utility holster. So it has the 5 pockets there, so you can store different tools in, your utility knives, and a couple loops there in the front, as well as a carabiner on the side. And it has a Velcro latch to be able to put right around a tool belt. It actually feels like a decent quality for the price that is normally at $9, and you can pick it up for $7, and that is saving 22% on that. And got another Pittsburgh deal. This one's going to be on the 34-piece ratcheting screwdriver set. It has both the SAE and metric of the different sockets there. Here are the sizes that it does include, as well as some different bits and a 1/4-inch socket adapter with that. It does offer the lifetime warranty on this set. So this retails at $9.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $6, which is saving 39% on that. It's a good deal. And this is the last item on the Dollar Days deal. So they have another Pittsburgh item. It's the 3-piece socket rail set. It has a 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive of the socket organizers. It's like on a plastic rail and then plastic inserts for the sockets themselves. And this also offers a lifetime warranty on them. And the retail price is $4.99. and you'll be able to pick these up for $4, which is only saving 19% on them. So again, it could have been another item you saved 30% off on this previous weekend. All right, that's going to be it for the Dollar Days deals. I will have a link down in the description below that goes directly to those coupons, so you can download them to your phone or computer. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.